guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, since it's no law, I'm going to do some different type of Rubik's Cube thing. With some help from my family. This is based off of another video by someone else, and I'm going to put that link in the description, and I'll be making a snow Rubik's Cube. Let's get to it. Woo!
Oh yeah, that's a pretty intimidating jump.
Yeah.
Why is this locker? How's your house supposed to go?
The last one.
Here we go.
I'm coming.
Thank you, Daniela.
Yeah, you done it without Marco though.
Woo!
Hey guys, thank you for watching. In the comments down below, make suggestions for future videos. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.
Around as much as possible.
Do the splits, the middle split.
Open your legs.
Middle split.
Okay, that works. Okay.
It took a long time to make it, but in the links down this. Oh, come on.
I think we should try and make it pretty. Yeah.
Hey.